Are you missing out on OneDrive's nostalgic memories because you never get notified? You know the ones, those little themed collections of photos from years ago that pop up and make you smile. Here's how to enable email alerts in just 30 seconds, so you never miss them again. We'll click the gear icon, go to Settings, then Notifications, check the right box, and hit Save. Let's walk through it right now. So first things first, open up OneDrive in your browser and look up to the top right corner. You'll see a little gear icon. It's your Settings button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the behind-the-scenes stuff lives. I've been in these settings more times than I can count, and this is one of those hidden gems that makes a huge difference. Now, from the menu that drops down, you want to select Settings. Not Account, not anything else, just Settings. This opens up a new panel where we can really start tweaking how OneDrive behaves. And here's the thing. Most people stop at the general settings and never dig deeper. But we're about to change that. Once the settings panel loads, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of options. Click on Notifications. This is the command center for what OneDrive sends you and what it keeps quiet about. And honestly, this is where the magic happens. Now, scan down through the notification options until you find one that says Theme-based memories are available. It's a checkbox, and it's probably not checked by default. That's why you haven't been getting those emails. So go ahead and tick that box. That's the one. Once it's checked, OneDrive will now send you an email every time it creates one of those themed memory albums. It's such a simple toggle, but it completely changes your experience. I've tested this myself, and the difference is night and day. Suddenly you start getting those happy little surprises in your inbox instead of stumbling on them months later. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of that notification section. There'll be a Save button. Click it, and that's it. You're done. So from now on, whenever OneDrive puts together one of those theme-based memories, an email will land right in your inbox. You'll actually get to enjoy those nostalgic photo collections when they're fresh. Pretty neat, right? If this helped, feel free to pass it along to someone else who might be missing out on their memories too. Happy reminiscing!